everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat. If you find here updates in this blue sign, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.